In this video, we are going to discuss functions of money. Functions of money can be classified into two categories. Primary money. Money performs two primary functions. As we all know, money perform two primary functions are as under medium of exchange. It means that money act as a medium for the sale and purchase of goods and services. In the absence of money, good were exchanged for goods. The term referred that if there was no money, then good were exchanged for goods in the earlier days, but in nowadays instead of money, we going to exchange money for money. This require double coincidence of one. Measure of value or unit of value. Money serve as a measure of value in term of unit of account. Unit of account means that the value to each of good or service is measured in monetary term. Money serve as a measure of value in term of unit of account. Unit of account means that the value of each good or service, whether it is pen to aeroplane, is going to be measured in money value, right? That is monetary unit. And the second function is of money is secondary functions. Following three functions are is under functions of money. Standard of deferred payment. Deferred payment refer to those payment which are made sometime in future. Example, money has made deferred payment easier than before. When we borrow from somebody, we have to return both the principal as well as interest. Deferred payment are those payment which are made in sometime in future. Such like that way, if you take a loan from a bank with 2 lakh, you need to pay some more money for that principal as well as interest. Store of value. Store of value implies store of wealth. Storing wealth has become considerably easy with introduction of money. Store of value implies store of wealth. Store of wealth refer to certain referendum where we need to save money. Storing wealth has become considerably easy with the introduction of money. Stored wealth is a source for future investment. It was not convenient to store value in the barter system of exchange because the barter system is good to good exchange and we cannot do so because goods tend to wear or perish out. Goods have tend to wear or perish means good have their particular date, expiry date consisting on that. Transfer of value. Money also serves as a convenient mode of transfer of value. Goods are purchased from far places. Money serves as a convenient mode of transfer of value. Transfer of value, convenient mode means if we go to purchase some goods from food grains from Punjab and sell it to Chandigarh, Ludhiana to Chandigarh, we need money in our hands. Goods are purchased from far places. Both the consumption as well as investment, you need to transfer purchasing power from the place of your residence. Money perform this function very well. Contingent functions. Some of the contingent functions which money follows are distribution of national income. Most help in optimum distribution of national income. Different factors of production, land, labor, capital, and enterprise.